Hi guys, and welcome back for another episode of Mindset Monday, where I am sharing quick tips to help strengthen your mental muscle and I hope improve your outcomes day to day. This week, I am here to talk about multitasking. I know I am guilty of thinking I'm great at multitasking. I'm trying to do it often. I'm getting better at moving away from it. But I wanted to share this because you probably also are multitasking day in and day out. So I wanted to break this down a little bit to help us all understand that there is an opportunity for improvement if that is the approach we are taking day in and day out, or more often than not. Multitasking, the term, actually came originally from referencing a computer. And with the processing system inside a computer, what happens is as that computer shifts from one task to the next and to the next and to the next, hence multitasking, it is able to increase efficiencies. Unfortunately, when we take the term multitasking and apply it to the human brain, what happens when we move from one task to another, and so on, we actually reduce efficiency and in fact improve the probability of errors occurring. So for example, around reducing efficiencies, there was a study done in 2003 by the International Journal of Information Management. And this study showed that the average person checks email about once every 5 minutes. It also showed that it takes about 64 seconds to get yourself back on task after you've checked that email. So ultimately what that equates to is that we lose 1 out of every 6 minutes or so just by checking email and then trying to come back to the task at hand. Imagine the inefficiencies we're creating in our day and the time that we're losing by trying to check a text that has just come in and then come back to the project that we're working on. Or check that other notification that just popped up through our instant messenger at work, and then come back to drafting that important document that we're putting together. There's so many examples we can start to wrap our brain around in terms of the price we pay when we multitask, or really, if we're calling it what it is, task switch. There's a cost. And so with that said, I would like to encourage you to help improve your outcomes today and every day going forward, to really think before you jump into something else when you're in the middle of something important, right? To think before you try to do 10 things at once and switch between 10 different tasks, instead to monotask. Now, this of course takes practice. Our brain loves bells and whistles and being distracted. It does require improved focus. But when we're monotasking, we're giving our full concentration, which is what our brain is meant to do and how it works, to just one thing at a time, to just one priority for that stretch of work or that day. So if you're looking to truly improve efficiencies and not increase errors, let's move away from multitasking and into monotasking and really direct our focus on our most important priority. If you found this episode interesting or helpful, please share it with a friend that you think might benefit, like and subscribe. And I will look forward to seeing you here next week for another episode of Mindset Monday. Have a great day, guys.